Good morning, students. So, today's question is very important for IP. This is a repeated question. So, that question is show that the trajectory of an object thrown at certain angle with the horizontal is a parabola. So, this question is very important, sir. This is a parabolic shape, sir. Let us consider an object projected vertically upwards with initial velocity u. So, suppose an object is projected from the origin O with an initial velocity u at a certain angle theta with the horizontal direction. Okay, the theta is not equals to 90 degrees. Theta is not equals to 90 degrees. Then at point of P, the particle will be resolved into two components. Along x-axis, the horizontal component of initial vector ux is equal to u cos theta, uy is equal to u sin theta. Then motion along a horizontal means that body is covered. First of all, that body is moves along the vertical direction as well as horizontal direction, means that body is covered in between two axes. So that shape is, the trajectory of projectile is parabola. What is meant by projectile? The body is projected in air, that is called as projectile. So the path of a projectile is called as trajectory. The trajectory of projectile is called as parabola. So that is the point here. Motion along the horizontal direction means that body is covered here two axes also. Motion along horizontal direction. So what do you observe in this motion along horizontal direction, sir? Initial component of vector ux is equal to velocity u cos theta, and at point when the body is reached at ground, acceleration is belongs to 0 and displacement along the horizontal direction x. This total value substituting in kinematic equation, second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square along the horizontal direction. Then s is equal to, what is the value of s? X. U is u cos theta into t plus half a is belongs to 0 into t square. That value becomes 0. So finally we will get from this point motion along the horizontal direction t is equal to x by this. So finally we will get from this point motion along the horizontal direction t is equal to x by this transposed to this side, left side, then x by u cos theta. This is considering equation 1. Motion along a vertical direction. What do you observe in this motion along a vertical direction? The initial component of vector along vertically u sin theta, and displacement is y, and when the object is moves upward means a is equal to minus g. Gravity is opposes. Then this total value substituting in this second equation, again kinematic equation, uyt plus half ayt whole square. Why we are writing this y, sir? That body is moves along vertical direction. So s is equal to y, and uy is nothing but u sin theta of t minus of gt square. So now plus into minus, minus na, sir. So that's why we are taking here. Equation 1 substituting in equation 2, then we will get the answer here. U sin theta, replace of t, x by u cos t. U is cancelled, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta of x minus x into whole square, x square. 1 by 2g means g by 2, u into whole square, u square, u into whole square, u square, cos theta into whole square, cos square theta into whole square. Once you clearly see these points totally. So now here we take tan theta is a and g by 2u square cos square theta is b. So easily we can find these two are constant. Replace of these 2 points, replace of tan theta we are writing a, and replace of g by 2u square cos square theta is b. So finally we are getting the point y is equal to ax minus bx square. So thus equation 4 represents the equation of parabola. So the trajectory of projectile is a parabola. So this question is very important. Now our second question. In motion in a plane, define unit vector, null vector and position vector. You know very well, unit is nothing but 1. Vector consisting both magnitude and direction. Null is nothing but 0, position. So see here, unit vector. Unit vector is denoted with one cap, denoted by this symbol cap. A vector whose magnitude equal to 1. A vector. Unit vector is a vector and whose magnitude is equal to 1. A vector. Unit vector is a vector and whose magnitude is equals to 1 is called as a unit vector. The unit vector of the vector A, for suppose we are taken to the A is a unit vector, then unit vector represents A cap is equal to A bar by mod A. A is a vector by mod A is nothing but magnitude of vector. So the unit vectors along positive x, y and z axis are represents as I, j and k respectively, like this. This is our x, y, j, z. This x is consisting I, y is consisting the j unit vector and z is consisting the k unit vector. So they are represent like this type of vectors. Null vector, a vector whose magnitude is 0 and which has no specific direction is called as null vector. The difference of two equal vectors is a null vector. So position vector. So position vector is denoted with r bar. So here x, y, z axis are there. This is the three dimensional axis. We are taken as 3 coordinates. The arrow drawn from origin point. The arrow drawn from origin point P. The position vector represents the position of the point P along the x, y, z coordinates. See, position vector are in x, y, z coordinate system is given by, what is that position vector? OP. This position vector represents the position of the point. OP is nothing but r. R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So its magnitude is, how could we take? Mod OP is equal to mod r is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Thank you.